Hello everyone, David Lewis here, and today I want to talk to you about a qualification process called the needs analysis, and in my opinion, the pros and cons of this process. Now, the needs analysis was designed to help the salesperson select the right car for the customer, but my concern is does it actually help select the right car or make the process even harder? Now, the way the needs analysis works is when the customer arrives at the dealership, the goal of the salesperson is to get the customer into the dealership and at their desk. Once they're there, they ask the customer a series of questions designed to narrow down the search process. For example, the salesperson will ask questions pertaining to the customer's budget, options, trade, etc. Now, this is designed for the salesperson to then select one car and bring that car to the customer. The problem with this entire process is that many do not want to come to the dealership. This is a threat to them. They don't want to come in. Many lie about specific questions asked, and then the salesperson presents the wrong car. I think we can all agree that selecting the right car is critical to the sales process. Now, I truly believe that the customer wants to see all the cars, not just one. They want to browse the lot to explore and compare. This, to me, is the best way to get the customer to actually select a car they like. Consider this analogy. A woman goes to a shoe store and as she enters is stopped by a sales clerk who asks her a series of questions. So, are you looking for a heel or a flat, an open toe or closed toe? And if a heel, do you want a 2-inch, 4-inch, or 6-inch? And then what color? Then the clerk shows the female one shoe that fits her needs. Well, as we all know, a female would never shop for a shoe that way. They want to look at all the shoes. Well, this is exactly, in my opinion, what the needs analysis does. It removes the fun of shopping, browsing, and comparing. And we all know that most typically, people purchase something different than what they initially intended on buying, whether it is a different car altogether, a different color, or just upgraded options. So, those are my thoughts, and in the comments below, I'd love to hear yours.
Thank you for watching my video, and I hope I inspired you. If you enjoyed the content, please like, share, and click the subscribe button. Once you subscribe, make sure to hit the bell so you can receive more content like this every week. And should you have any comments or questions, I'd love to hear them.